I'm here with the CRE twins with another video to educate you about establishing a clear price strategy. Extremely important topic. You see, we're often asked how it is that we can establish a clear price strategy. While sales comparables and property tours can assist, investors are more concerned about the ability of an apartment building to generate income. This is useful because a comparable building may have more amenities and lower vacancies but generate less income than your property. It can be extremely difficult to find a similar commercial property for a true price comparison. Mixed use and large properties can make this task even more difficult. So this is why a commercial property is best valued according to the building net operating income, the NOI. The capitalization rate, cap rate, of your multifamily property can be used as an easy way to compare your asset with other availables on the market. The cap rate is the rate of return based on the expected income of the property. So the formula for this is very easy. Is the yearly income divided by total value will give you the cap rate.
So for example, if you buy a property that will generate $80,000 per year and pay over $1 million for it, the capitalization rate is 8%. Whether 8% is good or bad will depend on comparable cap rates in your area. If a majority of buildings have a 6% cap rate, you are the lead. However, if they are at 10%, you may have an issue. While the capitalization rate is an easy way to compare your property against others on the market, it should not be the sole factor in your pricing strategies. Other considerations such as growth or decline of potential income or an increase of property value should also be measured.
And the art of pricing. So how do we get the highest price? Well, that can be a trick question. Let's start off with how most people design their price strategy, which is to ask over market price and then negotiate the price down. The problem with this is that if the price is too high, buyers may not even put an offer. If the buyer does put an offer, it is usually because the price is too low. With the same thought process of negotiating the price down. Either way, it turns into an unproductive game with unrealistic expectations, and many times both sides get frustrated and walk away. It may sound counterintuitive, but why not price the property at market and negotiate it up? The free market is an interesting phenomenon. If advertised properly and via the right mediums, our experience has been that when buyers see a property that is priced at market, they recognize the opportunity. If enough buyers find this opportunity, a demand is created. Build enough demand and guess what happened to the property?
It still amazes our clients when we sell apartment buildings above market price and all parties, including buyers, are pleased. If you're interested in knowing how much you can sell your commercial property for, contact us today to receive a no-obligation free global marketing plan analysis.
If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share or leave a comment below. Until next time, bye!